Hey, TechKnowStuds! And when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. You know, working with binary numbers, especially when they get really long, all these ones and zeros, can get a little confusing. But of course, it doesn't always make sense to convert it to a decimal system either, especially when there's an alternative, and that's hexadecimal. When you start working with hexadecimal, you'll really understand why we want to convert these binary numbers into hexadecimal and use them instead. In fact, that is so much the case that you'll encounter hexadecimal a lot when you're working with computers. So in this module, let's get into hexadecimal and how to work with these hexadecimal numbers. We'll kick this module off by talking about hexadecimal numbers. We're going to compare it to decimal systems and we're going to compare it to binary systems, so we really have a good understanding of what hexadecimal is all about. Then we'll get into counting in hexadecimal. How do we start counting up in hexadecimal? Then we'll talk about converting from binary numbers to hexadecimal and back from hexadecimal to binary. And then we'll also go from decimal system to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. And in the end, you're going to have a great grasp of how to work with these hexadecimal numbers.